Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Redmi 13R, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down and click on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals. This way you can enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. You can also click on this switcher next to Vibrate on Silent to enable or disable vibrations when your device is muted. Last but not least, click on Vibrate on Tap and adjust intensity of touch vibrations by selecting one of those options, or disable them completely by tapping on Off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!